Hello guys, we are going to learn today Pindare Polashe. This is a Bengali folk song based on Jhumur dance. The steps are very simple. When you are entering, there is a music of payal. You know, chan chan chan. So what do? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so how did we go? Turn, hand corner, and 1, 2, 3. Turn, corner, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Once this music ends, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how does this step go? 1, 2, 3, 4. Start with your right leg, go flat and lift up your left leg, then do flat and up, flat and up, flat and up. With that, it will be opposite hand and opposite leg. So if you're doing 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So whichever leg is flat, that opposite hand is ahead and then up and opposite hand. Okay, so after this step, you are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? Just lift up the dipping step I had taught you in my previous videos. So step, 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 and with that, hands, hands, hands. Just flick your wrist like this. Single finger mudra and 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After that, it is Pindare Polashe bone. Okay. So Pindare Polashe, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How do you go about it? 1, 2. So you cross your right leg ahead of left leg. Left leg is toe like this, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you do the same thing with left leg. 2, 3. Okay, so okay, from here we do palabo mo. So we are going to run away. How are we going to run away? 1, 2, 3. So our heart or our man is going to run away. So Pindare Polashe bone, palabo moon. So hand is as if you're not touching them, but as if you're taking something back. So 1, 2, then 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The same thing with the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like I told you, the legs are not stepped together, but these are shuffle and shuffle. Okay. After that, it is Nengti Idur. So basically, you are a small rat. So how do you go about being a rat? Nengti Idure. So sit and do round, round, hop, hop. Okay, 2 hops. You might not be able to do a complete round. So just sit and hop, hop. When you hop, remember to stay, your face should look at the audience and your hands are going to be like this, stylized. Okay. Nengti Idure, ढोल काटे, ढोल kate. Dhol kate is not going to be completely side. I'm not standing like this. I'm standing in the corner. And my face is towards the corner, facing the audience. Okay. So, Plinti ture dhol kate re botore pirite. How this is gotore? Gotore pirite is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how do you take the steps? Your hand is like this. Your, this is facing down, palm. And this is down as well. Not like this, but like this. And with your hands, you're taking it up and down. So 1 and 2. Up and down. Take something up like water or whatever. Take something out. Then take it down. So Gatore pirite phul phute. Flowering. So close your hands like this. Open, close, open. So loves flowering. So Gatore pirite phul phute. Then again Pindare Palashe is repeated. Second Pindare Palashe phul. What I am doing is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So the step is the dipping step only. Pindare Palashe phul. Palabo moon. Now you can do this or this. You can do it interchangeably. I am doing it this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now then again 90 udure. You are doing it this side now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So 90 dure dhol kate. Again same. Gatore pirite phul phute. Okay. Then there is a music interlude. In that music interlude, you can do your own step, but some of the steps that I was doing which are similar to Jhumur step is this one. This you would have seen we have done in Bihu also. So Bihu and Jhumur both come from certain places of Assam and Bengal. So they have these wrist movements which are similar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Music, 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 music. So how is this step? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what are you doing with your hands? Your one hand is just, like I said, touching the back of your head, and one is on the hips, and you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So after this step, we are going to do that step which we did in our Assamese Bihu song. It's the same but without the hip movement. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how is this going? You are, like I had said previously as well, taking something around and cleaning it, or you are taking a swim. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You turn, then you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you turn again and do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And in the other one, you are again swim and up, swim and up. In this step, it's right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. And here the step is again this dipping step. So clear, take it up, clear, take it up, clear, take it up.